Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is the truck driver guy, and it's been a while until you guys didn't see me. So in this video I will tell you guys about 20 tips how to be better truck driver. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and support my channel. You guys, as you guys can see, I've been making videos for a while. Well, I stopped for a few years, but now I'm kind of like start making videos again. And I'm asking you guys to support my channel, like, comment, feel free to share my videos. And okay guys, let's go. By the way guys, I'm losing weight. As you guys can see, I'm getting stronger. I still have a little bit of fat here. Well, I put the camera I put the camera on the kind of like in a different position, so that's why it's kind of visible, but it's okay, it's fine, it's okay. So anyway guys, the very important tip for anybody, it doesn't matter if you're a new truck driver, if you're an old truck driver, experienced truck driver, doesn't matter. After my experience, what I understand, that you guys need to stress less. I know it's hard to do in the trucking industry, especially with these pickups. Sometimes, you pick up a load in the morning, at night, in the evening. Your schedule is broken down. But still, guys, try to stress as less as possible. So stress as less as possible. I understand it's very hard to do, especially in the trucking industry, but please do your best. Also guys, make sure, this is just my recommendation to you guys, it's also like a tip, also my recommendation to you guys, make sure your truck is clean. I know you can say, you know what, it's not of your business, it's my own privacy, I can do whatever I want in my truck, but sometimes guys, I've been to some nasty trucks. I mean, like, try to make it as clean as possible guys. Try to keep your truck as clean as possible. Make sure your truck is not stinky, it's not, because I mean, you guys sleep there, you guys spend, some of you guys, I mean, like even me, sometimes I spent most of my life, majority of my life in a semi truck. And you guys have to understand that this is your, this is your home. It's not just your workplace, it's also your home. Try to make it as clean as possible. It's very important guys, very important, very crucial for all of you guys, and me included. I mean, sometimes I'm also failing in this, but I try to vacuum my truck, I try to clean it, go to a truck stop, buy some, or go to Walmart, buy some special materials and stuff, and make sure it's good, guys. Make sure it's clean, make sure it's not, stinks a lot. So also guys, especially for new truck drivers, if you're a new truck driver, not just new, like, well, let's put it like this, for all of us, sometimes experienced truck drivers, we skip pre-trip inspections because maybe we think we already checked yesterday and day before yesterday and stuff like that. So my recommendation to you guys, do pre-trip inspection, and don't just put like 15 minutes in your e-log. Actually do it, actually go walk around. Especially, what I learned when I was when I started being like an owner operator, like a lease driver, owner operator, whatever you guys want to call it, I start really checking everything. Like when I was a company driver, of course I was checking, but not as deep as when you owner operator, because when you're owner operator, it's your money. If you mess up, I mean, you have to pay for it. Sometimes, like what I was never do as a company driver, I would never like go and buy some extra parts for future. Like when I became an owner operator, I actually start buying parts in advance, because here's the thing, not all truck stops has your parts, and if something on your truck will fail, dealers will charge you a lot of money for this. So guys, very important, make sure that your truck is up to date, because if you're a company driver, you can say, you know what, company will pay for my hotel, I don't really care about it, I'm just gonna chill and, you know, enjoy my time. I wouldn't recommend it, because if you stay in the hotel, you don't make as much money. Yeah, your company can pay you like something, you know, for truck being in the shop, but you're losing your time, you're losing money, and you're just spending, you know, a lot of time on the road for pretty much nothing. Another thing is very important, I want to tell you guys. This was one of my major problems ever. Like, this was one of my major problems ever, and I'm getting better in this, but still, I need to work more on this. Do not eat everything you see on the truck stop. I mean, I don't say all truck stop food is bad, no, because sometimes truck stops have some good salads, sometimes they have some good steaks and stuff. So I wouldn't say that all truck stop food is bad, but a lot of food on the truck stop is very bad because of the quality of the ingredients, because of the, I mean, I think you guys know what I'm talking about. If you've been a truck driver, or if you ever stop at the truck stop, you will not find the best, very best food on the truck stop. So don't eat everything you see at the truck stop. And talking about this, I want to add something as well, guys. I want to add something very important. Cook. I would put it like this: cook in your semi truck. Learn how to cook in your semi truck, because that way you will save on your health. It's not even about the money. It's not even like you don't want to spend money at the truck stops. It's not even that. But cook at the trucks in your semi because of your health. Because sometimes at the truck stops they use some bad stuff, and sometimes it's not as clean as you want. Sometimes maybe they would use, you know, guys, for your health's sake, for your own health, learn how to cook in your semi truck. Also, what you guys can do, one of the tips, because, you know, we are truck drivers, we go in a lot of different places, and I was personally doing it. When I would stop somewhere like near, like a good restaurant, let's say, just for an example, like a restaurant that would have vegan food or vegetarian food, you can also always Google it. Sometimes I would just get like Uber Eats, and they would actually bring food right to my semi truck. Yeah, you can say, oh, you're gonna pay some extra fees. Guys, again, it's your health, it's your life, it's how you feel. It's about, you know, your experience on the road, guys. It's not just, oh, I'm just gonna drive in the semi truck, save all the money in the world, and become a millionaire. No, I mean, you wanna enjoy your life, guys. This is, sure, you can become a millionaire in trucking. I'm not saying you can't. A lot of people became a millionaire, even from my, you know, people that I know personally, they became millionaires in trucking industry. But it doesn't mean that you have to save every single penny and ruin your health. That's the thing, guys. It's very important, guys. Please take care of your health, and please be wise in whatever you eat. Also, guys, another thing, it's even for me, and I want to share with you something. Please don't judge me a lot, because some of you can say, oh man, because I've been driving since 2011, and want to tell you guys very important thing. Read your signs. As a truck driver, yes, I know, like, as a, you know, as regular drivers, we don't read signs. Like, when you, I mean, we don't really read signs, let's be honest, guys. Especially when you drive in a regular car, it's different. When you become a truck driver, you literally have to read every single sign, like every single sign, because for example, wait stations, right? If you pass a wait station, it's gonna be on you, and a lot of states, they have criminal charges. Actually, if you pass a wait station, they can literally take you to jail, like take you to, like, literally they can put you to jail if you pass a wait station on the accident. You can be like, guys, I'm sorry, I passed a wait station on the accident, but by their law, they can literally take you to jail for passing a wait station. Because you need to understand that there's a lot of different states, and pretty much most of them, if not all of them, have different rules. So like for example, California, you cannot go over 55 miles an hour. I mean, you can try, like I know a guy, he got a speeding ticket for 56 miles an hour in California. So, and I mean, it's up to you guys, but you're not allowed to go over 55 miles an hour. That's the thing, guys. California, you're not allowed to do that. Like for example, in Texas, you can go even 75 miles an hour. Some areas even allow you to go 85 miles an hour. So again, guys, it's some states, you know, like, so that's why I'm saying, guys, you need to be extremely careful in what you're doing. Read signs, know the law. Even sometimes there would be a sign, but this sign would be just for the small cars. So you need to know also rules of the state. So you need to learn the rules. That's another thing. You need to learn rules for commercial vehicles by the state. This is also very important, guys. Another thing, guys, also very, very crucial, and some of you guys can say, oh, I don't agree with you, this is kind of like, this is useless, don't do that, it's waste of time. My advice to you guys, every single time when you get loaded, go to a scale and check your weight. And you can say, oh, if I'm not like, 40,000 pounds, I don't have to do it. No, you have to do it. I explain you why. Because guys, sometimes even if you're not, let's say, 75 or 80,000 pounds, your axles can be still overweight. Like for example, if it's supposed to be like 12, 34, 34, right? So if you have, let's say, 12 in your front on your tractor, 34 on your let's say on your back axle, right? You have 34 and 34,000 pounds, and let's say you have 36,000 pounds. Even if you have 10,000 pounds on your middle axle, you still get in a fine. This is the thing, guys, you still get in a fine because you are overweight. You're not supposed to do that. Please always check your weight. Always check your weight, guys. This is very important. And okay, guys, here's the thing. I've been thinking about it actually a lot of times. I can share it with you guys. I've been thinking about it a lot of times. When you become a truck driver, try to have someone who's in your community or from your relatives or from your friends who's already a truck driver, that you can actually ask him questions, maybe watch some YouTube videos, maybe learn, try to get as much knowledge as possible to become better. I tell you why, because for example, let's say you're a new truck driver and I have over 10 years experience. I can literally tell you a lot more than you can possibly imagine. So this is the thing, guys. And get someone who can literally help you. And I'm making a video, guys, and the birds are singing, and it's fine. It's great. So another thing I wanna add to this point. If you have any questions, let's say you're confused. Sometimes when you work for a company, the companies, they kind of being rude with you. Maybe not rude, maybe they're busy, and you ask them, you call them and be like, oh, what should I do now? Because you're a new truck driver, asking company different questions. Maybe sometimes they can even get mad at you, but still, do not be discouraged. Don't say, oh, I'm not gonna call my company, I will figure out on my own. No, call your company, call your dispatcher, call the owner of your company. Be like, bro, or sir, whatever you guys, what kind of relationship you guys have. Be like, you know what, help me out, I'm lost, I need help, or I don't know what to do. So ask as many questions as possible, because again, guys, at the very end of the day, it's gonna be on you. Like, let's say if something bad will happen, yes, your company also will get in trouble, but the main person who will be responsible gonna be you. So, and truck drivers have a lot of responsibility for everything you guys do. Everything we do, we have a lot of responsibility. So this is gonna be like number one. Like, we will be responsible, number one. Of course, then our company will be responsible and stuff like that. For example, maybe you didn't know about it, or I'll tell you. For example, if you would speed, they would give you a ticket, right? Sometimes even they would give you like just a warning, But your company will also get punished for this. Even for the warning, sometimes your company, it's based on the state, sometimes your company would get punished as well, and because of this, your company would get punished. They wouldn't have good loads because of that. So basically, you can say, oh, this is just my ticket. No, it's not your ticket. It also goes on the company record. So that's kind of like a, I don't know. Well, I mean, sometimes I think it's not fair, but sometimes, I don't know, I guess government is a lot smarter than we are, so we have to obey the rules. And as a company has to train their drivers in different ways. Another thing I want to add for you guys is to get better physically. Like, for example, as I started this video, I mentioned about stress, right? Let's say it's your 34-hour restart, because we have to do it by law. It's your 34-hour restart. Try to do some activities like walk, try to do some, movements. I don't know, take a shower. A lot of truck drivers, they don't take shower for like 2 weeks, whatever. It's really bad. Like, sometimes when they come to the truck stop, it's really bad. Like, try to shower, try to like shave, try to, I don't know, just like take care of yourself, in other words, and just be be better, be better. So guys, this is the thing I want to tell you guys. So, and again, guys, if I miss anything in this video, feel free to comment, feel free to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, guys. I will definitely do more videos. Please comment, please support my channel, and until next video, guys, love you and keep on trucking. Bye, guys.